back to my channel. My name is Felicia. For those of you that are tuning in for the very first time, welcome, and I'm so happy to have you join me today. Well guys, in today's video, I am participating in a collaboration entitled Pink Summer Decor Challenge. The host of this collaboration is Antonette of Decorating Ant's Place, and the co-hosts are MystyleMycolors, Glam Queen of DIY, and Shelley Inspired Decor. Now, in this collaboration, we were to decorate any area in our home in pink for summer, presenting a display or a vignette. So, without further ado, let's get started.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So now I have added in the centerpiece for this table, and I'm just going in and making final touches to this tablescape. So stay tuned. So now I'm just showing you the miniature size floral arrangements that I've also made for the centerpiece of this table, because I have one large floral arrangement as the centerpiece for this tablescape. So if I actually had guests over, they wouldn't be able to see across from one another. So I would actually use these smaller ones here as the centerpiece. So let's get back to the tablescape. concludes my video for today. I hope that what I shared in this video gave you much inspiration in your own home decorating. And once again, I just want to thank the host of this wonderful collaboration, Antonette of Decorating Ant's Place, and all the wonderful co-hosts, Sule of MystyleMycolors, Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY, and Shelley of Pretty Inspired Decor. I encourage you all, after you watch my video, go over and watch all the other participants in this collaboration, watch each of their videos, and if you go over, let them all know that Felicia by The Seasons sent you over. So until the next video, and also one more thing, if you're stopping in for the very first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing to subscribe. And if you would like to continue to see more of what I post on my channel, just hit that notification bell and select all. And you will be sent a message every single time that I upload a video. So, until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.